It's quite a feat to play the pedal steel guitar. You have to slide a steel bar up and down the strings as you play them, while operating a system of pedals and knee levers below. This means using both hands, both feet, and both knees. It's a real performance. The pedal steel guitar has a unique sound and an impressive musical range. To make a custom one, the guitar maker carves the neck of the instrument from hardwood. He beads glue around the edges of the neck and applies strips of intricate wood inlay. Once the fretboard design is silk-screened onto the top, the guitar neck is complete. He outlines a design onto aircraft-grade aluminium and cuts it out to make an end plate for the guitar frame. He pops the end plate out of the holding device. He welds it to the rest of the framework and polishes everything to a mirror finish. Next, he machines a part called the steps. These holes in the steps will be used to attach tuning pegs. He attaches the steps to the neck, just above the fretboard. This is the pickup plate. It will hold the pickup that transfers sound to the amplifier, as well as a series of metal fingers. To make those fingers, he machines several parts from aluminium and assembles them together. The fingers pivot to raise and lower the pitch of the strings. He fits all the fingers in the slot in the pickup plate and secures them with screws. He double-checks the movement of the fingers, then hooks springs to the end of each one to maintain the proper tension. A little grease ensures this next operation goes smoothly. He shapes a part called the cross shaft using a special cutter. Then he moves onto the guitar undercarriage to build a system that moves the fingers with foot pedals and knee levers. He screws several cross shafts, one for each pedal, into the undercarriage. He attaches bell cranks to the cross shafts. He connects thin steel rods to holes in the fingers and the bell cranks. This system will allow the performer to tighten or relax strings while playing. It's a kind of open tuning, and it's what gives the instrument its characteristic sound. He checks the knee lever to make sure it works. Here he's winding copper-coated wire around a cartridge thousands of times to make a pickup. He takes two of the wire-bound cartridges and places a magnet between them to complete the pickup. He fits it in the other slot in the pickup plate, just above the fingers. Now using a gauge and a level, he adjusts the pickup. It has to sit low enough in the slot that it won't interfere with the strings. The positioning must be exact, or the guitar won't sound right. He attaches 10 to 12 strings to the guitar neck. Some instruments have two necks to add even more dimension to the sound. So now you have an instrument that's sure to steal the show.
slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no